Alright, back again for another video. This one is how to change the relay if you put on LED blinkers and they're blinking fast. You're gonna have to remove the battery. So the first thing to do to remove the battery is remove the back seat, the front seat, and the tank cover. Once you've done that, then you'll have to remove the 4 screws for the battery compartment and pull the battery tray out. So I have the battery tray here on the ground. I'll move it into the darkness so the sun don't mess with the video. Okay, once you pull the battery tray out, you're gonna have to remove this cover right here. It says, I don't know if you guys can see it. It said headlamp, fuse, and main fuse. So there's a Phillips screwdriver. You unscrew that, this comes up. Yeah, so the blinker relay is here. It's actually right here. It's this piece right here connected here. So I had to, if you kind of wiggle it up a little bit, it'll come out. And once you pull that out, then it's just this plug right here. But I replaced it with an aftermarket one. I'll show you something. So the OEM one comes look like this, but I replaced it with the OEM one that came with a long wire. So once you pull it out of here, it's just a matter of just replacing it, unplugging this and plugging it back in. So hopefully that helps. At least you know the exact location and what you need to do. Alright, thanks.